Polish-built version of the MIG15 UTI, WSK Nielec SB Lim 2.
Any second now he's taking a big run and jump. He's bumping up a bit. You see him any second now. Shiny, Jesus, come out of the top. Second. There he is, we were there, right?
Oh, so he is. Sneaking away in front of us.
The specification of this aircraft was aimed at combating high-flying heavy bombers. It incorporated 35 degrees of wing sweepback into the design. It was equipped with heavy cannon armament, and from the outset it was able to exceed 1,000 kilometers an hour, nearly 650 miles an hour, at an altitude of 3,000 meters or 9,800 feet. In then from the left.
You like to send you this thing? Big light, you ready?
The MiG-15 first went to war in 1950, towards the end of the Chinese Civil War, where Chinese communists were getting Soviet help in their fight against nationalist forces. Rather unusually, the first MiG-15 aerial victory